So here we have the Mitsubishi Eclipse automatic on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a reversing camera, plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath this tray section, even more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 18,684. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges in that section as well. Just above that, it will show you what gear the car is in. We're in park at the moment, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, firstly, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right-hand side, cruise control and speed limiter. Just behind the steering wheel, you can see the minus and plus paddles. That is so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do that. Then over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can access your home screen from here. There are various different apps that you can work your way through. You can see, obviously, the different types of music. So DAB radio, FM radio, your phone, Bluetooth audio, USB input. You can swipe through all of the screens as a touchscreen, as I'm doing now, or you can swipe through everything individually using this pad just here. So this works like a trackpad on a laptop. So you can not only move across, you can also click down on various things as well. So for example, I can use that pad to move across to DAB radio, and I can push that button down and I'll access my DAB menu, for example. Down here, you can also access the same home menu without having to use any of the touchscreen buttons. Working our way down from that, we have got your dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase or decrease the fan speed from up there as well. This button will turn your air conditioning off or back on again. Or you can hit auto. When you do that, the car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed, as you can just see it doing, to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Override that and auto will turn off straight away. Below that, we can put the car in eco mode. We have two USB inputs, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. These buttons here will turn the driver's heated seat on high or low, and then the same for the passenger side. So two settings for each seat. And then the buttons that I went through just a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.